Hey everyone! If you want to achieve peak performance in your leadership, finances, or personal growth, you have to shift your focus from the destination to the daily mechanics. It all starts with your vision, but vision alone isn't enough. As Stephen Covey wrote in The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, you must start with the end in mind. Knowing exactly where you are going sets your trajectory, but getting there requires a reliable vehicle. Too often, we obsess over big milestones while ignoring the daily routines that actually drive us forward. James Clear beautifully captures this reality in Atomic Habits, reminding us that you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Your systems are your habits, your discipline, and how you manage your resources. But remember, you cannot build a massive asset or scale a great business entirely on your own. True leverage comes from collaboration. As Patrick Lencioni points out in the 5 dysfunctions of a team, not finance, not strategy, not technology, it is teamwork that remains the ultimate competitive advantage, both because it is so powerful and so rare. Clear vision, disciplined system, and unified teamwork, that is the ultimate blueprint to win. See you in the next video.